Hey there! Ever wondered what cryptocurrency is? In just 2 minutes, we're going to explain it all. Get ready because this is going to be exciting. Cryptocurrency is digital money. But unlike the cash in your pocket, it's entirely online, powered by groundbreaking technology called blockchain. Imagine a giant, unhackable digital ledger. Every transaction ever made with a cryptocurrency is recorded in this ledger, which is shared across thousands of computers worldwide. This ensures transparency and security. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning no single entity, like a bank or government, controls them. They're secure, thanks to advanced cryptography, and they offer privacy, giving you control over your personal data. Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency, often called digital gold. But it's not alone. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum, which supports smart contracts, and many others, each with unique features. Cryptocurrency is revolutionizing finance. It allows for instant, low-cost international transactions, financial inclusion for the unbanked, and new ways to invest and raise funds. It's transforming everything from banking to how we think about money. You might be wondering, how can I actually use cryptocurrency? Well, people are using it to buy everyday items like coffee, to even purchasing flight tickets. Some are donating to charities, making a global impact with just a few clicks. The possibilities are endless. So whether you're looking to invest, send money overseas, or just stay ahead of the curve, understanding cryptocurrency is essential. Please remember this video is not financial advice. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more up-to-date information from the crypto world.